Now we are learning the variable declaration and the variable definition. So the difference between variable declaration and the variable definition. Now the declaration tells the compiler about data type and size of variable. Means once you are going to declare the variable, let us suppose we are saying int a. Now here the compiler knows that integer type of the data type we are taking and the size of integer will be taken. So the type and the size is given by the declaration. Now if I talk about the definition, definition allows memory for the variable. Now defining, whenever you are assigning some of the value, then it allocates the memory. So this is called the definition. So declaration means declaring the variable. Definition means defining its value. Let us suppose that we are saying a is equal to 10. So that becomes into the definition. Variable can be declared many times in a program. Means you can say that int a multiple times, but the memory for that variable will be declared only one. It can happen only one time for variable in a program. The assignment of properties and identifier to a variable is done in the declaration part. Means the properties are defined. Let us suppose that which type of variable I want to define, that will be defined with the help of declaration. Now assignment of storage space in the variable is defined by the definition. You simply understand one thing. If I talk about the memory, then memory part is taken care by the variable definition. Otherwise everything is the declaration. So now we are learning the rules for declaring the variable. So variable name must begin with letter or underscore. So that means it should start with a or underscore a or something. Otherwise that is not a proper variable. They can be constructed with digits and letter. That means digit can be there, a1, a2, b1, b2. That is totally correct. So such type of variable can be constructed. It can be the combination of lowercase and uppercase letter. That means small a, capital A, or even small a, capital A together. Both are correct for the declaring variable. No special symbol are allowed than underscore. Means you can take out the underscore a, that is totally correct. But if you want to say the star a, that is not the variable declaration. So that is incorrect. Variable should not be the keyword. So keyword should not be there. If you are saying void is my variable, totally incorrect, because that is the keyword. We are taking few examples of variable declaration which are valid and invalid. Let us suppose that we are saying int a, correct, totally valid. Then we are saying roll number underscore number, underscore is allowed, then characters are allowed, valid. A123 digits are allowed with the letter, valid. Capital A, small b, capital C, D, the combination of small and capital is valid. Then SU plus M, invalid, because special characters are not allowed except the underscore. Then T at the rate TAL, invalid, because special character is not allowed except the underscore. Then P percent age, invalid, because this percentage sign is again the special character. 123A, digits can be there, but first it will start with the character. So digits at first is not allowed. So this is the invalid. So these all are the invalid declaration, and the variable will not be declared in that case. But here the variable will successfully declared and work. So these are the variable declaration. Now I am giving one more example. Let us suppose that we are saying int roll underscore number underscore y12. Is it valid or invalid? Yes, it is a valid declaration because after the integer we are having the characters, then underscore is there, then no is again the character, then again this one is underscore, y is character, then 1 2 is the number. Totally allowed. This is a proper variable declaration.